In this video you will see how to split table in LibreOffice Writer. It's very easy. To split the table, click inside the column from where you want to split the table. After clicking inside the column or a cell, go to the table option here, and under the table option you will see the option of split table. This option will allow us to split the table into two. After clicking on this option, as you can see, we have this split table window, and in this just select the option no heading and then click on OK to split the table into two in LibreOffice Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about tables in LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.